सोच नहीं सकता कि सनी देओल ऐसी फिल्म में होगा और नसबंदी के ऊपर.
It's the same as when you directed him. He looks the same. Am I right, sir?
Yeah, he has.
Salman Khan. What do you think he can possibly endorse?
Being human, Titan, mouth freshener, Sheila Jeet, badminton. Kareena had become size zero.
Yeah,
Right.
Kareena.
She could do this ad.
Yeah.
Right.
Hi, this is Bobby Deol,
Hi, this is Sunny Deol.
and you all are watching Bollywood Hungama.
Hangama.
It's a huge privilege and honor to have two of the finest actors and biggest stars as far as Bollywood is concerned in the history of Bollywood that we have. That is Sunny Deol and Bobby Deol. Pleasure having you guys on Bollywood Hungama, first of all.
Thank you.
And first of all, what have you done that you've been looking in great shape since the time we met you last in Chandigarh for Yamla Pagla Divana?
It's just state of mind. Be positive and everything looks positive.
It's the same as when you directed him. He looks the same. Am I right, sir?
Yeah, he has. I think he started paying attention a lot towards
Yeah, I
himself.
started paying more attention to myself. So you just realize it. It's part of learning and realizing and never looking back and moving forward in life. And no regrets. Just move forward.
No, absolutely. It's like Gupt mein jo aapka gana hai and the way you just, the entire, in fact, fascination that people had with you, that's something that is being relived once again.
रात दिन सुबह शाम लेके तेरा नाम मेरे दिल में किए तुझे लाखों सलाम.
How was the experience of working in a movie like Poster Boys, which is like as heartland as it gets, and you guys are having fun?
Yeah, it was great fun. I was basically looking for a good script for Bob and me together.
Right.
And then that's the time when someone spoke to me about Poster Boys, jo Marathi mein bani thi, and they said it was a nice film. I said, what was the idea? So the minute they gave me the gist of it, कि नसबंदी के ऊपर है, 3 characters हैं, उनके साथ उनकी life में एकदम earthquake सा आ जाता है. So that excited me. That's how we took interest into it. With Shreya se baat hui, and then everybody was on the same page, and that's how it started off. And then eventually we did it, and we all had a great time, and it was fun all the way around.
Yeah, absolutely. And that Hindi dialogue that you hate Hindi dialogue बोलना चाहिए, सिर्फ हिंदी नहीं है. That the guy says that उसके बाद क्या बोला था? That he gets, and it's something which is, even the pronunciation must have been a tough task.
आपने हमारी अनुमति के बिना हमारे मौलिक अधिकारों का उल्लंघन करते हुए शुक्रवार को छेदन के इस संदेश वाहक पत्र पर हमारा छायाचित्र कैसे प्रक्षेपित किया?
How much time did you take for just rehearsing with that?
जब मैंने कहानी सुनी तो मैं फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कहानी बेस्ड है स्मॉल टाउन में और मैं उसमें एक स्मॉल टाउन के स्कूल टीचर प्ले कर रहा हूँ. तो कोई ऐसी रोज़ ऑफर नहीं करता और मेरी 4 साल बाद एक फिल्म आ रही है. एंड आई थिंक द स्क्रिप्ट वाज सो एक्साइटिंग एंड वाज अ चैलेंज टू प्ले अ कैरेक्टर हु इज फ्रॉम अ स्मॉल टाउन और वो शुद्ध हिंदी में बात करता है. तो मैंने बहुत वर्कशॉप्स की श्रेयस के साथ, बहुत मेहनत की. श्रेयस एंड मी, आई मीन श्रेयस, दैट्स वन थिंग गुड अबाउट श्रेयस एज अ डायरेक्टर इज दैट वो पहले एक्टर थे, तो इट रियली हेल्प्स व्हेन यू आर एक्टिंग इन अ फिल्म बीइंग डायरेक्टेड बाय an actor director. जैसे दिल लगी मैंने भैया के साथ की थी, तो I couldn't escape my performance. My brother knew exactly how he wanted to get work done from me, and that was when I was younger. But now that I've done so many films, working with Shreyas was really good fun because हमने बहुत मेहनत की और जितना भी काम है बहुत स्मूथली गया. 37 days में हमने फर्स्ट शेड्यूल ख़त्म कर दिया था अपना. एक ही शेड्यूल में बनी थी फिल्म और बाकी 2-3 दिन यहाँ वहाँ बॉम्बे में किए थे. लेकिन that was the exciting part, you know, the film, the script, the character.
Right. And there are many hilarious situations which we see in the film, and जिस तरीके से जब बोला जाता है that it is insinuated that maybe you're the one who has actually got the नसबंदी done.
तुमने नहीं की नसबंदी, मैंने नहीं की नसबंदी, तो बचा कौन?
क्या?
नहीं, आप तो करा ही नहीं सकते.
The main aim of Bhaiya being in the film was to see a film जैसे ये स्क्रिप्ट है, कोई सोच नहीं सकता कि सनी देओल ऐसी फिल्म में होगा और नसबंदी के ऊपर.
Right.
You know, so that excited him.
Yeah, I think it is, as an actor, it is, I mean, obviously from image point of view, तो हर आदमी के अपने अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज होते हैं, बट एज एन एक्टर आई रियली वांटेड टू डू इट बिकॉज आई लाइक द मुझे उसका जर्म वाज वेरी गुड, और एज एन एक्टर मज़ा आता है करने में. एंड उसके अलावा ये फिल्म उस तरह से नहीं हमने की जहाँ इट्स ऑन द वल्गर साइड. इट्स बेसिकली अ नॉर्मल फैमिली, नॉर्मल जहाँ किन के यहाँ कुछ ऐसी चीज़ हो जाए तो क्या होगा. तो सिचुएशन इटसेल्फ ऐसी हो जाती है, कैरेक्टर्स जिस तरह के उस तरह के होते हैं, उनके साथ ऐसी बीती है तो वो क्या करेंगे. सो दैट आई थिंक दैट वाज so exciting, and that's what's come across in the film.
By the end of the day, I think Nazbandi in India, we've had certain, in fact, certain wrong practices that have happened forcibly. But the fact is that considering the sort of population that we have, if people would want to take it voluntarily, it is something which is, in a way, it is good for the country as well. If you want to take it voluntarily.
Yeah, it is definitely good in a way, but it has to be,
Person's choice.
person's choice.
I also believe that people are intelligent enough to know that to achieve things in life, you have to make your country move in the right direction. So you have to control certain things.
Right.
And even if you don't do Nazbandi, at least don't go and increase the population.
Absolutely.
It's not by mistake that you have kids. You know exactly what you're doing. So
Right. I think it's also the awareness which is maybe
Yeah.
missing, that people.
And I think now the awareness is more because they're realizing with so much of overload of so many people in the country, it's a high time we all started thinking about it. And I think the upcoming generation is more, is aware of that.
Right. Okay. As a music of the film, it's very massy. You're having some really songs which will cater to the masses like wonderfully well. So what are your thoughts on music, sir?
Well, to me, masses and the other things and all, I don't know, we always use these words like Hollywood को हमने अपने आप को Bollywood कर लिया, हमने को समझ नहीं आता, हम लोग ये शब्दों को इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Because end of the day हम लोग entertainer बना रहे हैं, and entertainer means entertainment, and cinema is basically entertainment. कहीं रोने वाला होता है, कहीं हंसाने वाला होता है, और फिर हम उसको बोल देंगे हमने अपना दिमाग छोड़ कर आए हैं. तो मैं आदमी के कहने की अपने अपने अलग चीज़ें होती हैं. बट इस फिल्म में जो हमारे गाने भी हैं, दे आर द गाने जो हाँ, जैसे आपने कहा मासेस हैं, तो मैं तो कहता हूँ जो बड़ी बड़ी पार्टीज होते हैं वहाँ पर भी ये गाने चलेंगे.
बिल्कुल absolutely.
है ना. तो बेसिकली इट इज़ अ थिंग. म्यूज़िक ऐसी चीज़ होती है जो यूनिवर्सल होती है, जब अच्छी लगती है सबको अच्छी लगती है, कोई अपनाता है, कोई छुप के अपनाता है.
बिल्कुल absolutely. Sir, अभी recently there is a film that has come up, Toilet Ek Prem Katha, and which is obviously to take off on Gadar Ek Prem Katha, and because that film is so huge that it continues to grow as well. Do you feel flattered that title is?
I don't think it's a take off or anything to do.
Not
with
exactly,
that.
but only the
जैसे
title.
वो क्या उस वक्त उन्होंने
Only the title.
गदर एक प्रेम कथा कर दी, तो आई थिंक उन्होंने सोचा चलो टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा कर लें. क्या है क्या, मैंने फिल्म देखी नहीं तो कान से उसका आगे पीछे क्या है, सो आई हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट दैट.
Right.
But definitely the tagline is एक प्रेम कथा.
Ek Prem Katha. Okay. And so how you look at Bobby's journey? I've seen so many of his films, and that in theatre, like Badal for that matter, आपकी film आई थी, and there's so many films that have really I think captured the attention of the people, especially in terms of his theatrics, the way he just brought it. I think Badal especially, I personally thought Bichu was another film which was extremely interesting as well. So how do you look at his journey?
I think he's a good looker, he's a great actor, and it was just himself to start believing in himself, which he has started doing now, and definitely the awareness was more important to the person himself, and what we see now in this film also is a character which I'm so happy the way he's done it and the way he's looking in the film.
Right, absolutely.
It really is gonna make many people, he's gonna win people's heart, and that's what an actor always looks for, scripts and characters where you get to do that, because otherwise you're just simply doing the similar kind of a thing over and over again.
Right. And you guys are doing Yamla Pagla Divana part third.
Yeah,
That's
right,
something that is,
that's right.
so what's the latest Nara you guys looking forward with?
Well, I think we went wrong on part 2.
yeah, we went wrong in part 2, so we're going to go right.
We're trying to
part
work
three.
that we don't do the same mistakes again.
Yeah.
We're going very
Part 1
early.
was, I think, really funny. Part
Yeah,
1 was really funny.
Yeah.
ये पंजाब है पंजाब. यहाँ पहले गोली मारते हैं, फिर शायद लाश से कुछ बात कर ले.
वो अब ये तो बताओ इसने किया क्या था?
पता नहीं.
Part 1 was, we've kept all those ingredients in mind and thought of making a script which is what we are. Why PD2 was not what we were. so it didn't connect with people, our fans and audiences.
Right.
But YPD3 we've seen to that, and we just finished the first schedule. It's just started, so it's great fun working with Papa.
Absolutely.
You know, Papa, the energy Papa has, he's my inspiration. I mean, I look at him, he's 82 years old, but that desire, that want to work, to be on set, to be in front of the camera, is one of the. It's just amazing. I mean, he's the best, and working with him is something I'm always looking forward to. And I was hoping that YPD3 would be made faster, but it's being made now. And Bhaiya, me, I mean, it's just fun being on set together, three of us.
Absolutely. So as he's talking right now, we can see that his eyes are moist. Even your eyes are moist as he's talking about your father. You know, I've spoken to him earlier about that, I think, famous speech that he gave at IFA about that, about your father, and that he broke down, and your father broke down as well. And do you remember that? How do you look back at that? Because I think that moment.
Happens in Scotland, right?
Yeah, and that.
And my father is the best, and he really got emotional. And even now, both your eyes are moist as we're talking. Both your eyes are moist.
I know, that's the way we are. We are basically, we share and we can feel each other's pain and laughter and everything. And I think that's something which is genetic, that's something which has been there. And
we're blessed to be his kids.
Yeah, that's the way we are,
Absolutely.
basically.
No, absolutely.
कोई किसी का एक दूसरे का दर्द देख नहीं सकता.
Absolutely, that's really wonderful. We'll try and make it slightly.
Yes.
So we have a couple of segments. So this is entirely in lighter vein, entirely because अपनी picture जो है वो entertaining है. So we'll trying to have some fun. So basically it is that which celebrity do you think that should endorse the following promotional campaigns, and who would be proving to be misfit for the following promotional activities? Like who you feel is the best for this campaign, and who you feel may not be right as well. So I'll mention a few ideas, and if you can, and it's entirely in lighter vein, so you don't worry about that. Fight against black money. Who do you think should be this promotional campaign? Fight against black money.
Black money.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sunny Deol.
Yeah, I think just
You need someone.
Absolutely. Absolutely. अगर कोई patriot की बात आती है, तो it is always Sunny
Yeah.
Deol. That is something that is border. I think 20 years was celebrated recently, and
That's a new trend now. They started celebrating milestones for movies.
yeah, that's true. That's true. It's more social media now. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
okay, so speeding and drunk driving. Who do you think can be a promotional brand ambassador for this?
Speeding and
Drunk driving.
drunk driving.
Yeah.
स्पीडिंग एंड ड्रंक ड्राइविंग तो तालमेल होता नहीं है. ये तो ऐसे हो गया कि आप किसी पर जाना चाह रहे हैं, लेकिन स्पीडिंग एंड ड्राइविंग का तो ड्रंक ड्राइविंग का तो आई डोंट सी दैट endorsing. I mean, why would anybody want to endorse?
Not endorse, but in the sense कि ये नहीं करना चाहिए.
I will endorse it.
That ये नहीं करना चाहिए. Drunk driving नहीं करना चाहिए. No problem at all. I'm sorry to say sir, but अभी आप लोग थोड़ा safe play कर रहे हैं, but I hope that थोड़ा सा आप लोग adventurous होंगे. We really appreciate that. It is all in lighter vein. Trust me on that. Safe sex and use of contraceptives. Do you think किसको ऐसा चाहिए?
The poster boys.
Poster boys.
Poster boys.
Yeah. Perfect. Malnutrition. Considering that काफी actresses जो होती हैं वो they go for size 0 and they tend to
Actresses
eat
की
weight
बात
as
कर रहे हैं ना?
Yeah, generally, whom do you think that can possibly?
I think quite a lot of them fit that. आजकल की most of our heroines also conscious about just being thin. So I think quite a lot of
Kareena had become size 0.
Yeah,
Right.
Kareena.
She could do this ad.
Yeah.
Right.
I think she started that, didn't she?
Yeah.
Okay. सर जैसे नसबंदी में है कि दैट आप लोग पोस्टर बॉयज में कि नसबंदी के लिए आप लोग यू आर नॉट राइट फॉर प्रमोटिंग नसबंदी इन अ वे. सो अगर फॉलोइंग सेलिब्रिटीज़ हैं तो उसमें आपको क्या लगता है कि दैट दीज आर द कैंपेन्स दैट दे कैन पॉसिबली इंडोर्स? आई विल मेंशन अ फ्यू नेम्स एंड whom you feel that ये कैंपेन्स ये लोग प्रमोट कर सकते हैं आपके नज़रिए से. Alright, Salman Khan, what do you think he can possibly endorse?
Being human.
Being human. Okay. Amir Khan.
Titan.
नहीं कैंपेन सर सोशल रिलेटेड कैंपेन अगर आप कुछ कहना चाहें तो
Be on time with Titan.
बियॉन्ड इमरान हाशमी
Mouth freshener.
माउथ फ्रेशनर दैट्स अ गुड वन प्रियंका चोपड़ा
She can for what are those people when you call centers, because she's really got a good accent.
good accent okay so anything that you'd like to
No, I
add
think
sir?
that's fine.
Alia Bhatt
She can do for anything. She's very talented.
okay Deepika Padukone
Badminton.
Ranveer Singh
What is that? What are the medicines for energy?
right okay energy pills
B12 का पूरा भरा हो उसके अंदर.
Ajay Devgan
अजय देवगन प्रैंकस्टर है वो, प्रैंकस्टर. तो कोई भी आया जिसमें वो प्रैंक्स कर सके.
okay all right Kangana Ranaut
Issues.
hair.
सर ने कुछ बोला कुछ
Any issues,
any issues okay
she'll stand by it.
No, but ads की बात कर रहे हैं.
any issues
hair.
इसे ये-
Shampoo.
सर, आप प्लीज
Shampoo,
कुछ
shampoo.
No,
कुछ
he's
बहुत
interested in
बड़ी
what I
बात
was
बोले।
saying because that makes it more sense for them.
कुछ बड़ी बात बोलिए सर ने कम बोला लेकिन बहुत सही बोला कुछ आप प्लीज एलैबोरेट कुछ करना
No,
चाहें
there's nothing to elaborate.
Everything, okay अक्षय
I mean,
कुमार
she's a girl who's got her what she wants to say, she says, and that's it. So she's got her own mind and she speaks it out, which is, I think, very जो हर आदमी को करना चाहिए. And I think that's I'm very proud about that she is that kind.
okay अक्षय कुमार
शीलाजीत.
Shilaji.
अच्छे भैया हमारे. He can do an ad for anything which is to do with health products, natural health products.
okay all right शाहरुख खान
Kiran.
that's your film sir
Shah Rukh Khan, what ad can he do? He does all the ads.
Yeah, कुछ
campaign
अच्छा नहीं.
promotional campaign for any cause or something like that
Cause.
yeah
I can't think of it.
okay all right okay so we'll I think that was pretty interesting to be honest सर ने मतलब जैसे वो 2.5 किलो का हाथ वाला जो होता है तो उन्होंने एक बोला लेकिन भारी बोला जो भी है टू स्टार्ट विद एक्चुअली we have rapid fire with both of you to just end this interview. I will start with sir. Okay, one thing you miss back from the time when you were not as famous as you are now.
It's a very I really don't know what to say about that. Really, one thing I would miss if I was not famous, if I'm not famous as now.
No. What
whatever
I'm
it
saying
is.
is basically when you had not started acting. जब आपने
Although-
एक्टिंग स्टार्ट नहीं करी थी तो उस वक्त जो आप कर पाते थे जो आप आज
अच्छा, that is freedom basically. No? You miss the
freedom yeah exactly okay what you do when you are not shooting
I'm prepping up what I want to do next. I love to drive. I love to go out into the mountains.
oh wow a film of yours that deserves a sequel
Deserves a sequel. I think Yamla Pagla
that's
or Poster Boys.
Poster boys.
that's already coming okay all right your initial reaction upon reading the script of Poster Boys your first reaction when you read the script of
See, I've never read a script, but the idea was something which I heard, and I've always done things very instinctively. If I like something, I just do it because that's what your brain is telling you, and that's the right thing.
right so what comes to your mind when I say the names of your following films Betab
First film,
Arjun
Aggression, Youth.
Mamaya Kero Kero Mamaya.
Yeah,
That's my god. It's like goose pimple. It's like that
That's a
song.
great song.
Outstanding. And Damini.
Tariq pa Tariq.
Tariq pa Tariq. Yeah, that is.
I think Damini is trying to. I think Tariq pa Tariq is right.
Ghayal.
Ghayal क्या जानना क्या चाहते हैं आप? क्या बोला आपने?
What
One
comes to your
thing that
mind
comes to
first?
mind first.
घायल, राज संतोषी, राजकुमार संतोषी.
Okay, गदर एक प्रेम कथा.
Beautiful love story.
Beautiful love story. Okay, यमला पगला दीवाना.
Fun with the family.
Fun with the family. Great. So what would be the title of your autobiography?
Title. Be quiet.
Okay, why do you say that, sir?
Because I don't talk much. That's what they say. So it's a person who's been quiet
Right.
has written something. So what would that be? So it's interesting.
So because I think you have a unique, it's very interesting that some of your most famous dialogues are the ones where you're literally just making people just sit up and stand notice because of your entire powerful voice. And other side, you have an extremely soft voice. Actually, there's like completely poles apart. Where does this stem from, sir?
I think that's what that's why I love my acting. I love to act because you get to go through all the pitches and all the kind of characters and roles, and you're required to have everything in you.
Rapid fire with Bobby Deol now. Your favorite Sunny Deol film?
Ghayal.
Ghayal. Okay, first thing you do when you get up in the morning?
Have a glass of water.
Your favorite food?
My favorite food. Loki.
Okay, so where do you get your proteins from?
From eggs.
How many eggs in a day do you have?
I don't count. I just eat them.
A recent film you saw that you loved?
La La Land.
Ah, okay. Your favorite holiday destination?
London.
London, okay. Are you interested in directing a film?
Never.
Okay. If given a chance to remake an old film of your dad, which one would it be?
Phool aur Patthar.
Phool or Patthar? Okay, a secret about Sunny Deol that no one knows.
That he can dance.
What would you do if you wake up as following people?
Pardon?
What would you do if you wake up as following people?
Okay.
Dharmendra Saab.
Have a glass of water.
Shreyas Talpade.
Start rehearsing his vocal cords.
Okay, Sunny Deol.
Go to the gym.
Okay. Akshay Kumar.
Climb a tree.
Climb a tree.
Yeah, he loves climbing things.
Okay, what would you do if you wake up as Alia Bhatt?
What would I do? I don't know much about Alia Bhatt, so I don't know what I'll do.
Okay, what would you do if you wake up as Ranveer Singh?
Run a marathon.
Run a marathon first thing in the morning?
Yeah, because he's got too much energy.
Yeah. All right, so thank you very much for being on Bollywood Hungama. Lovely talking to you guys.
Thanks,
looking forward to Poster Boys and Yamla Pagla Deewana Part 3 and all your future ventures. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.